We're fucking back. And let me get the timer going. What do we got? We're at 2 hours and 14 minutes.
That's alright.
We're at 2 hours and 14 minutes. We're getting our timer back up. 3 fucking minutes.
Who starts?
I'll start. Since you had the control last.
Yeah.
So we'll get in the game. Now it's actually good that I haven't shown you because this next part is very easy to fuck up. Are we in 60 FPS or are we in 30? Now we're in 30. Alright. Oh. Alright, I'll start the timer now.
Yeah.
So what just happened there? I think I accidentally stepped on the fucking ledge to trigger the patches thing.
I forgot that triggered if you go too
Hey,
close.
Patches. Hey. Fuckers.
Yeah, he's not there. Don't you have to, like, get the stuff and come back up?
And then he's like, well, I didn't mean it. I'm just a fucking dickhead.
Batches!
Batches. This part's like the most stressful part in the fucking run right now. This part sucks. Because these guys suck. And there's 2 of them. And I'm probably
And
dead.
a big arrow. There's not anywhere to go. Yeah, I was gonna say.
Woo!
I was gonna say you don't have enough
Health, yeah. It's better that I died there, I think, honestly, or else it'd just been more stressful.
Oh, stressful.
Alright. But, like, there's, like, a path that you just run straight through, and then you're literally on the road to Nito, which is what I'm trying to do before fucking my time's up. Because that way I can set you up for Nito.
Nito.
Nito. Frickin' Nito. And then a little thumbs up. These dogs, though, are literally the fucking worst.
That was
Fuck off.
good. It doesn't help that you can't see shit.
Yeah, no, that's why this place fucking sucks.
And then you're like, oh. What are you trying to do?
I think I went the wrong way
What do you mean?
to get out of here. Yeah, I'm supposed to...
Oh, you're going for the bonfire? Is there a bonfire over here?
No, there's a little hole right
Oh,
here.
yeah,
Perfect.
yeah.
Yeah. Alright, we're good. We're out of here. Now just don't die to Nito. You shouldn't die to Nito. You should be good. You should be freaking
Use
Nito.
a hume to heal one before you get... No, he's...
All you literally do is just tank. Put that stone armor on and fucking chug Estus.
All 5 of them.
Yeah. And pop humanities too.
All 5 of them.
We have 7.
All 7 of them.
Get your fucking facts right, bruh. Excuse me, fucking Mario fucking enemies. Look at the enemies from Mario, I don't know what their names are.
Hey, hard bosses.
Could you imagine if like if they were like, actually difficult? And you had to come in here to fight like 1,000,000 of them? Imagine if it was actually like not a joke.
Stone armor.
Here, put it on. The boss fight doesn't start immediately, thankfully. Put the stone armor on. I don't know if it actually does have more poise than Hobbles, but either way, it's still fucking tanky ass armor. Alright.
Fat roll?
Yeah, you're gonna fat roll. Fully heal though. Actually, see what your roll is right now. Just roll off to the side. Yeah, that's a fat.
Am I good?
Alright, so go down, and once you get the humanities out, pull your... Yeah, okay, there you go. And then drop down. Actually, clear your bar first, too, so there's no confusion. Clear everything off except for the humanity and the...
These
yeah,
off?
clear those two, yeah. Alright, now, have the humanity out. When you drop down, skip the cutscene, pop a humanity immediately, and then keep moving.
Even on full health?
Well, you're going to take a bunch of fall damage.
Oh.
So just drop down, and... Yeah, you take a lot. Skip, pop a humanity. Just one. And then pull your Estus out, and then just...
Two-hand?
Wait for him to come... Yeah, two-hand, and then wait for Nito to come over here. Walk a little forward that way. And roll. Don't worry about these guys. Wait for Nito to get closer. You don't want to aggro the big skeleton. Get back up, back up, back up. Roll. Actually, you don't even need to roll for that. It doesn't even matter. Just keep rolling. Poppy Humanity. Just Poppy Humanity. Just Poppy Humanity. You don't need it. You don't need to worry about getting hit. You have plenty of poise.
Good?
Yeah. Start beating on him.
He's gonna like kill the...
Yeah, when he does his AoE. Literally just tank every hit until you get like low health. Like low health. Low. Yeah. This right here you can tank. And then Poppy Humanity. You're fine, Poppy Humanity. You literally take no fucking damage from this dude, you're fine. This tank this again. Gonna take a little bit of damage. Reach Augustus. And then just keep beating on him. He's gonna do the AoE again. Just to see. You just fucking tank everything. You don't even get blown back, just keep hitting him.
That's weird that...
This boss is so... When you put fucking armor on, this boss is done. Like, GG. And then go get the bonfire over there.
Those big skellies.
That's another dead. That's another boss kill for you, though. Even though I think I've accumulated most of them.
Yeah.
Wait, no, you killed ONS, right? Yeah, you did.
Oh, yeah.
You killed Smell.
killed second phase.
You killed Smell. That's a boss kill for you.
Now
Now we go towards Meta Chaos, so leave. No, not leave. Fucking warp to Firelink. That's what we need to do.
Zabed.
Good shit. Good shit. I'm surprised I didn't fuck up that run through the Tomb of Giants there that much. Oh shit, I was gonna take a swig.
No swig.
No swig alert.
Mindlessly scroll.
Oh my god. For any reason I don't know who fucking Gordon Ramsay is, oh my god.
He's hilarious.
He is hilarious. I should take this fucking armor off. Like, that show, what's that show called? Fucking
I don't know if that's
Kitchen
what it's
from
called.
Hell. It's an actual, I don't know if it airs anymore, but that TV show is gold.
It's probably got some type of...
You go to like
show.
fucking fucked up restaurants and dude just shits on people, dude. It's fucking hilarious. I want to watch that fucking shit.
He has zero chill.
He gives zero fucks. Like, but like low key though, for some of those people, like he's gotta be like,
Yeah.
he's gotta fucking put him through the ringer. Like, I probably could have. No, we didn't touch that Daughter of Chaos bonfire.
No.
That's fine though. We'll just fucking run through Blighttown. We'll run through Blighttown. Go! Whoa! Yeah, I remember that. Okay, for the first time you walked across that plank, you fucking walked dead slow, didn't you? Everybody fucking did. If for your first playthrough you sprinted across that fucking platform, you have balls
died.
of steel. Or you died. That's a sketchy
Ledge
fucking
running in
platform.
this game was like always super sketchy.
Like sprint into the wall while you run.
Yeah.
Like this. Just fucking run into the wall.
Because like there'd be like random collisions sometimes and it would just like knock you
And
off.
then you'd slide into oblivion.
Then you get that panic roll that gets stored and just know you're dead before you even die.
Oh, dude, store rolls would be the death of a lot of Souls players.
Huh. What's the Lobos Jr. this?
I'm not that confident.
Not that confident. Yeah, you can warp to the bonfire if we get it right.
Yeah.
Wow.
Fucking calculated.
Like RTSR setup.
Yeah, that could have been an RTSR setup. Look how much poison resist we have now.
Wow. Will we even get poisoned?
Probably. Oh yeah, we can get poison still.
Shit.
Doesn't even matter though. That's the thing though that I hate about having high. You're poisoned for like fucking triple the time. How does that make any sense? Dark Souls.
Yeah, that doesn't make any sense.
Like it'd be almost better to like have no poison resist because if you get poisoned, you're poisoned for like 2 minutes, not 8.
Yeah, but also with low, you could like get poisoned multiple times if you like have to go like across a big distance.
Oh, I guess this make yeah you can. Yeah, I guess that makes sense.
Because you'd be unpoisoned in time for it to repoison you.
True, true. Here you go.
Ah.
Yeah, just sprint We gotta go through Demon Ruins. Oh no, we don't have 6 more bosses. We have a lot more bosses left. We've got Demon Fire Sage. We've got Centipede Demon. And then we've got Bed of Chaos. And then we've got 4 Kings. And then we've got Gwyn. We have 5 bosses left. Don't need to... Yeah. Almost went to ring the bell.
Ring the damn bell.
Yeah, I would rest at this Daughter of Chaos bonfire. Yeah. Just say yes to him, just to make it go quicker. Yes. Blah, blah, blah. Skip. Run. It's tempting to beat this guy's ass, but it's slower. Rest, leave. And actually, on our way back, we'll kill her and get another Firekeeper soul, just have a stronger Estus. Because we want to be able to warp back here. Oh, we still could warp back here, we just can't use that bonfire, so we'll... I guess either way, whatever.
Why can't we use that bonfire?
Because you can still warp to it, but we can't use it because the Firekeeper's dead. Yeah. And then roll off to the right. Oh, no, you have to keep going down. That's right, yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Fucking...
Isn't there like a Capper demon over here?
There is a Capper Darman. Yeah, don't roll off here. Yeah, keep going.
Do it over here a bit.
Yeah, keep going, like past this ridge there.
Past that ridge. Right here.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like it'd be hot there.
It looks hot, but it's... You don't take any damage. Don't run. You can run this way, I guess.
Army of Taurus demons.
And if you look to the right, you'll see an army of giant hellspawn. We're gonna keep going past that exhibit today, though, into the fucking goat demon, just ahead of us here.
Check on.
No. Yeah, you might want to roll there, bud. You might want to roll there.
Thought I could just run past him.
Nah, fam. He's got that stretch.
He's got unhuman tracking.
He's not human.
I know.
He's fucking...
He's demon.
And then roll off onto the bonfire down here.
But I want to fight the goats.
No goats.
Where?
It's right there. Kill this fucker. Heal. Oh shit. Here. Oh, you killed him.
I'm good at this game.
Wow. He had like fucking...
You can kill him pretty quickly. I watched Lobos kill him on like 2 hits with his trident the other day.
That trident, we should have fucking went for the trident, but we would have we'd have to hack that item in from the start.
You can.
I don't have DS
When do you
fix.
first get it?
Duke's Archives. So like way late in the game where it doesn't even matter to call it a trident run anymore. I guess you could use like a spear only until you like get to it, but you're not using the fucking trident. You know, you're fucking doing some fake shit.
I have to dance first.
Oh my god, that'd be so annoying. A trident only run where you have to dance in every boss.
That's what he was doing the other day.
Twitch.tv/RoboStudio. Hey, what are you doing, man?
New boss.
Hashtag they reuse this boss fucking 3 times. And they use the music 4 times.
They do.
Yep.
When you share what?
Force Demon.
Yeah, they use Moonlit Butterflies twice.
No, they don't.
Dark Sun. I know Lobos were saying they use it twice.
Oh, do they? They might, yeah. I don't really pay attention to that one, yeah. I guess they do, yeah.
Dark Sun.
I thought you were gonna say Sif, and I'm like, no, they're different, but...
Dark Sun and Moonlight.
Now we fight even harder boss.
I got him stuck in the ceiling once.
Yeah, they did the fucking the mighty cheese. We'll just kill him like regularly.
Yeah, because I don't know how to do that anymore.
Did you do it? No, me and Adam did it.
I know I did it once. It was the only cheese I've like ever done. In this
Yeah,
game.
when me and Adam were doing this run, we he got it to happen because he's just that good, I guess. All right, I'm gonna get us over to that spot.
You really just have to get him to that corner and like make him do the jump.
Fight over here.
What's on that corpse?
I think it's green titanite.
I'd pick it up so you don't accidentally.
Right.
Shit. How do I fight this?
Just chomp at his legs, I guess. That attacks a bitch.
Come over here.
He's just gotta jump in here. He's gonna keep doing that. Get closer to him. Spam the grab attack, why don't you little fucking bitch?
What is he doing? I have no idea what he does.
Just
Am I good here?
Yeah, jump. Just roll away, roll away, roll away, roll away. And roll away, roll away. And rinse and repeat. Put that orange char ring on, son. And let's get the fuck out of here.
Another kill.
That is another kill for you. That's right. That's right, look at you go. Wow.
Well, that's right. I take like.
Wow.
Where am I going?
That way. Over there, to that door. That hole in the wall is where we're going. Bye. Then we're gonna go skirt, skirt to fucking Bed of Chaos, and then we're gonna skirt over to Four Kings, and then we're gonna skirt over to Gwyn.
So three left.
3 left, yeah. And we're fucking done. We're finishing in this episode. Don't touch it. That bonfire's cancer.
I need to be followed.
That bonfire is cancer.
Bonfire.
That's Solar's
Up this route?
bonfire. Solar's fucking. We don't know where it's there. But we don't fuck with it. Yeah. You can sprint straight through this, but the way I'm most comfortable with is this other way. Let's go follow the roots.
Follow the roots.
Could you imagine actually being here and walking? You'd be fucking like on fire just standing there.
Oh yeah. No, these tree roots.
Walk
would
off
be
of there. That soul pack in. And keep going.
Where is it?
Keep going that on
that
that
right here?
Yeah.
The lava's like ridiculously
It's
bright.
so fucking bright. And then just go around it like that and run straight onto the platform there. Geez, Darcy, you could have toned down the brightness a bit. And then go around the right side of this.
All the way.
Mm-hmm.
Dragon butts.
All the dragon butts. Way too many of them. Like what? And no, you gotta keep going. This ain't the one. No, 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 not that. No, you gotta keep going that way. Onto the roof.
Oh, there's a giant thing. I thought you meant on that one.
No! There's 2 of them! I'm getting my hand readjusted on the controller. It's fucking wonky right now. Hashtag why are the dragons? Fuck you, get out of here.
Nice.
We get that. I always wondered, like you brought this up yesterday, I always thought like, even while I'm playing the game, like someday this is gonna be a fucking weapon, the coiled sword.
Yeah.
And it fucking is a weapon now.
I don't see why they.
It's a fucking weapon now, it's the badass thing. It's so badass.
And it had to be a weapon eventually, right?
Like, you think that'd be like the ultimate weapon you could
It's
get.
like the staple symbol of Dark Souls, a bonfire.
Yeah.
They
Like,
even
honestly,
put that shit in Overwatch.
Yeah, they really did. That's the fucking coolest thing. But like, I thought when you beat the game, you'd get that. Like my first time playing Dark Souls,
Mm-hmm.
I had it in my mind like, yo, we're gonna get that fucking weapon, but then you get Gwyn's soul and
You're like,
nobody ever uses his fucking sword.
Gwyn's?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nobody ever uses the Great Lord Great Sword. It literally looks like the Great Sword in Dark Souls 2. Just a little bit smaller.
Yeah.
So it's like... What the... God damn it. Excuse me, dick bags.
Suction cup grinders, tub grinders. Hey, which vibe?
Fuck you!
Like only which eyes if that actually still looks like a person that you encounter.
Your
guy, like, assumes the perfect stance.
You'd fucking fall on your face if you went down like that. There's no way. You'd actually fall on your
And then
face.
you'd hit the fucking concrete at the
And then
bottom.
you'd be like tumbling down and you'd break your neck.
And you'd die.
And that'd be the end of you. I wish I had fire bombs. We could have done the fire bomb strat. This is sick. We will do save and quit strats though.
No one, you don't fight this boss legit.
This boss is so shitty you deserve to not fight it legit. That's how it works. You might have to take this guy out here.
You got 17 seconds, you're good.
I'll get you set up to shoot the arrow.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's why we got that bow. Is it equipped?
Yeah, it's equipped.
Oh fuck.
Here you go.
Where do we run?
Keep going, keep going, keep
Here?
going. Yeah.
Left?
Keep going under the root over there. And in this spot, or no, you gotta go up to the next one. Or no, right here's good, I think. Or no, go to the next one. Go to the next one. Right here. Yeah, this is back up more though. Pull out your arrow. Or yeah, aim. Aim and shoot down more. Gotta shoot through the branches. 1, 2, 3. Keep shooting.
Whoa.
Keep going.
Fuck,
Keep going.
I'm a sniper.
Aim down a little more. To the left a little bit. Keep shooting. You just broke some more branches.
Jesus Christ, man.
To the left more. Keep shooting. We might not be able to do it.
No.
That's good right there.
Jesus.
Oh no! You're supposed to keep shooting where you were originally. No, like where you were like a couple seconds ago.
There?
Fuck!
What?
Running around. No, that way. Watch it. You might get swiped by the hands too. Like that.
Not even.
It's gonna keep spamming that, so you gotta be ready.
Not my face. That makes no sense. I was shooting right at the roof.
I know, it's fucking, like, I don't know where, but there's some fucking spot there you fucking have to shoot, and it fucking gets it every time. Like,
Good
16
job.
arrows should be plenty.
2009.
2011? Fam.
You already got the one side, right?
Yeah. What?
You gotta do it. You gotta do
I feel when you try to fucking heal.
it. Nice! Hold your shield up as you run, so if you get hit, you don't take damage as much.
I'll get knocked back ridiculously far, though. This is what's gonna fucking happen. Like, you wait here
For the...
for the fucking things to go. Just gonna do that.
Okay. Now you run. You got it.
Ho, doggy!
Because it knows where you're running.
There you go. Kill the root and then save and quit. Skip it, save and quit. Save and quit. Save and quit. Boom. Alright, this next part's fucky. You might die on it.
I will never die. Don't you gotta like roll off onto the...
You gotta roll off into the right in the right time. Go through the fog gate. You gotta roll off in the right time. That's all it comes down to. And then once you get underneath him and start like you fucking sprint like hell, because you can get caught in the firestorm. All right, perfect RNG. All right, now wait for the 2 arms to swipe. Run. Wait for them to swipe.
That was really confusing.
Heal.
Directions.
I know, I'm fucking retarded.
What am I doing?
Just keep going, just run. Run. And drop it down. Wow, that was perfect! Holy shit! Keep going straight. Oh! Roll! Fucking roll like there's no tomorrow. Holy shit! You're fine. Just run. Fucking hit it. Holy shit, bro! That was insane. Hit the bonfire. That was fucking insane. Go to Firelink Shrine.
You know, like I said, easy game.
Go to Firelink Shrine. Hurry up. Firelink Shrine. You gotta kill 4 kings and we're done. That knocked you off. Literally, I thought you were dead, but it knocked you literally onto the fucking platform.
That was perfect.
Start sprinting down towards fucking New Londo.
Sprinting. We have 60,000 souls.
You don't need souls anymore.
No, that was pretty crazy.
That was fucking insane.
I was like, yeah. Oh.
You're like, yeah, this is fucking bullshit. Like another stupid death. Wow, that's insane. And we get to shave 10 minutes off our time for the time we were duping souls.
Yeah.
If we want to count like just pure like playing and dying and shit, like fighting.
No, that's about right.
This is our first time doing like trying to get this done as fast as possible.
And I haven't literally haven't played this game. Like I've played a lot of Souls 2 and 3, but like I literally haven't played Dark Souls 1 in like 3 years, except for like yesterday. So
he's getting reacclimated. And he doesn't know all the strats
like it literally it does feel.
Send that elevator back up. Feel like you're playing a new game. Oh, ooh, dude, the close calls are fucking real.
No, it just feels like it just feels like more choppy. I don't know if like.
That's how it is sometimes, but like you get used to it like once you start playing it.
Yeah.
Yeah, keep sprinting.
Oh, my money taco.
Bro, you got the tacos on the brain.
So good.
Tacos are on the brain.
I'm getting 12 of them next time I go. I'm getting 12.
That's fucking. That's way too many tacos.
I'm getting 12 tacos.
You're insane.
12 tacos.
Oh, we were gonna get that Firekeeper soul, but we don't need it. Fucking Firekeeper soul.
2 nachos. 12 tacos, 2 nachos.
You're insane,
yes.
bro.
12 tacos, 2 nachos.
You're actually insane.
And that should be good for the first one, right?
Yeah, you're eating fucking nothing later.
We're gonna do a lot earlier though.
I hope so.
We're gonna do a
I
lot
hope we
earlier.
actually get around to doing it.
We need to get up earlier. We need to.
Yeah, we fucking. I've just been stuck. I've been trying to go to bed earlier. I don't know what it is in my body. It just will not.
Yeah, you're like midnight, time to go to bed, and you're just like lying there, and you're like.
No, it's not even that. Last night I went to bed at like 1.
Oh,
I went to bed at like decent time.
I went to bed at like 1:30.
Oh, dude, it sucks that we don't have any fucking arrows for me to fucking kill C or.
Alright, you need to do this part because I have no idea. Oh no, isn't this the Banshee ladder?
No, this part here sucks major ass, but yes, it is.
I think it sucks more than ass.
You're not wrong. Fuck!
She's gonna scream.
Now it's RNG here whether or not I make it up the ladder. Yep, RNG. Put down into that, and then roll off onto that, little archway there, and then climb up the ladder. On console, the frame rate while you're crawling up this ladder literally freezes the game. Like, the frame rate gets so bad it freezes the game.
That sucks.
Yeah. It's like literally like a 50-50 chance will the game freeze or not.
Wow.
Yeah.
Good job, FromSoft.
The one time, no,
Good
it's just the
job.
console
Yeah,
software is so shitty.
It's so beta.
All right, kill these motherfuckers. To kill all two-hand your shit. One shot. Kill the Banshee. Not even actually what it's called. Kill these fuckers.
I do like no damage.
There's a lot of them though. You see, that's why that's what I follow. A lot of them. I can't speak.
Yo, chill.
They're like, see how many of them are? That's fucking insane.
Chill.
Heal.
Chill. Yeah, and they have
There's
like,
literally so many.
the range.
Double kill.
The range is crazy.
Yeah, they have fucking super stretched fucking tall glass of water arms. I don't even know why I said that, but they're like fucking the stretch man. You know what I'm saying? Like fucking their arms are made out of like fucking fruit roll-ups. All right, fucking kill this dude. Just kill him. Two-hand your shit. Two-hand. Kill him.
Oh,
Kill him.
you are no.
Alright. Wait,
He's
he's
not
on
Orshari.
fire.
He's not Orshari. Put the Covenant of Artorias on now, actually. Right there, and that one right there. Traverse Abyss. Perfect.
Oh, see.
Because if you have
Now
that
where
already,
do
if
we
you
go?
don't have that, we go
Back
down
down?
just to the Four Kings, yeah. To the Seal.
Seal of.
Hold B.
In the other games, you definitely don't just hold B.
No, you double. I'm pretty sure you can hold B, but your character doesn't have to be. No, go the other way.
Because
go
like it's
right,
such like
go
muscle
right,
memory
go
for
down,
me not to do that.
Down, and go out the door to the left. That skips a really annoying jump.
Right?
Yeah. Go left.
Yay.
Didn't even need that. You're wasting our time.
I'm wasting our time.
You kind of are, though. You think about it. Like that's like
Literally
second.
seconds.
Literally
Like,
seconds.
down,
Just
down,
gone. Just
Down,
boom.
down.
Yeah, down, out the door.
Use the
Pull
key.
that fucking lever. Spin that shit.
Drain the city.
Drain the city. Skip. And go. Back towards you came. Nope. No. Nope.
Confusing.
And go. Alright, let me see it. Or like a spot where the controllers need to be swapped off super fast.
Hey, the boss fight.
How convenient! Look at that.
Hey, the boss fight.
Later, nerds.
Probably heal up.
Yeah.
Do you take all damage from this one?
Nope. You take like death and fall damage, like if they did that, because it's such a far fall.
Oh yeah. The Abyss Walker.
Where's the fucking end of it? Jesus Christ.
Is there like a spot you just drop off?
Yeah, I'm trying to get. There we go.
Take off the transient and the souls. Alright, you might want to heal up.
Here we go.
First kill. First try.
2 minute, 3 kings. We're gonna get 3 kings.
Or 15-minute 5 kings. No, it'd be more kings than that. Does that even play spawn them? Where is he?
Fuck is he? Oh, there you are.
I think it's impossible to dodge because space and time are like fucking weird. Perfect arm, Jesus. Snap. Wow. Poise is like ridiculous.
So what you do is you hit, and then you hit, and then you do an R2 while he's dying. Because that gets the most, it gets the extra damage in while he's dying.
Oh, you get
Yeah. So you hit. RNG, or melee.
tank. Oh my god.
Again.
Watch, won't you?
And then we're gonna 2-hand, hit,
Hit.
hit,
Hit.
hit. And then here we're gonna get some stamina. He's not doing any damage. We're gonna hit, and then boom, boom. If you want to do, you can do like a double there too. Just get like that extra like 1500 damage.
This is third king.
Yeah, he's not even spawned, and there he is. Oh, you're super fucking far away. How's that fair? Get over here, dickbag. Go ahead, do your fucking shit. I do not care. No damage. Fucking hipsqueak.
And then NG Plus comes around.
And then NG Plus comes out on this boss. It's like, wait a second. It's the same boss.
Can you still use this strat?
Yes. But you better be damn good at it.
It should be 3 kings, right?
It might be like 3.5 kings.
No, it's 3 kings. Should have it right.
Boom. Oh no, there's gonna be like a fucking sliver of another one. If I would have hit, he's over there. It's gonna be like a sliver of another one.
I just
You gotta like tap him once and
This
he's
is my
dead.
kill too.
This is your fucking kill too. That's right. Just keep going. Just tank the shit. You don't even need to roll. You don't roll in this fight. Use your weapon. Come on. Use your weapon. What are you doing? Don't get cocky. You son of a bitch. If you would have died right there. If you would have died. I'm gonna fucking kill Gwen though. You fucking rested that bonfire. Take all that shit off. Put the good shit on. Yeah. Up one, A, up one, A, up one, A. Not down one, up one. Alright, rested that bitch, warp to Firelink, literally fall to the kiln, and we're done with this shit. Firelink Shrine, baby. You got 2 minutes on the clock. We just gotta parry Gwen to death. It should be easy. Have it rested there. Actually, we could rest at the one in the kill, but it doesn't matter. I'm gonna use this cool strat that Lobo showed me.
Twitch.tv/Lobos Jr.
Yeah. But basically, there's that last Black Knight by the fog gate.
sorry.
He fucking, if you save and quit at that fog gate, he literally disappears from existence.
What?
Yeah.
Whoa.
That's some. You gotta place the souls in the bin. Yeah, throw them in there.
Gotta toss him.
Toss them in. Boom, boom, boom. Vinyasa. Do your vinyasas. Offer lords this Lord Vessel. He's gonna dump them in. Skip this fucking cutscene because cutscenes are fucking
Is that all of
overrated.
them?
That's all of them in. And just sprint. Full speed. Actually, put the Hornet Ring on. Get the Hornet Ring. Take the Abyss Ring off. Put the Hornet Ring on. There you go.
Boost crits.
Yeah. Get as close to Gwen as you possibly can. This fucking area is sick. When I first got here, dude, oh my god, the nostalgia is real. This looks like fucking...
Yeah, I was just gonna say
It looks like the end of, like, when you fight Gale.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, that makes me think. Yo, I need to watch a fucking body video on that. Because maybe it explains, like... They look... Now I really just finally realized that. Just run. Just keep going. You're good. Just run.
No.
I literally
Dark Souls
just
4 comes out next summer.
Yeah, shut up. There's no Dark Souls 4. It'd be cool if there was, but I just don't think it's gonna happen. Like I couldn't complain if they announced a Dark Souls 4, but like I just think the possibilities are there.
July 2018.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. You're not gonna be able to do anything.
That's a thing.
You were supposed to like walk onto the ledge there.
I thought it was just...
Don't worry, you haven't played this game in several years. It's fine.
This sets up a Gwen kill for me, though.
No, I'm killing Gwen. I'm gonna get the kill on Gwen. He'll be dead in like 30 seconds.
Nope.
Yeah.
Nope.
Yep.
You don't do that much damage.
I do stupid damage.
No.
I'm gonna 4-shot him.
No.
Gwen will get 4-shot.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
No.
You want to bet?
No.
You want to bet?
No.
Are you good at this game?
Yes.
Fuck. Try to slim trick you.
Looked like he was like, yeah.
Yeah, that's why those guys are kind of weird.
Like he just...
Alright, I want to see if this happens. This Black Knight is supposed to literally fucking get sucked out of the universe if I save and quit here.
See where?
Right at the fog gate. This guy with the halberd here is supposed to literally get pulled from existence.
Well, there's a coding error.
Let's see if it happens. Yep, he's fucking gone. That's so weird.
You're going to have 1 minute to kill Gwen.
That's all the time I need, baby.
And 1 minute now. Can he get the fabled 1 minute Gwen kill? No. No. shot, they say?
Maybe not. But I get the Gwyn kill. That's all that matters.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. About 7 hits.
30 seconds. We're coming down to the wire. This boss is so good.
Lord win.
But if you fight him legit, it's actually a tough, like a good fight. Yo, holy shit.
You got.
Wait, it's because
3
I'm not
more.
two-handing. Shit.
Huh. You gotta parry him right here. You gotta parry him.
Fuck! No! You're gonna get the kill! No! What are you doing, parry him? You just squared up with him! Run out the door! Run out the door! Go, 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 run! Don't fucking heal, just run! Run, 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 run. Keep going, just keep sprinting. Keep going. And skip. Skip. Alright, now just hit the start button. And save and quit as soon as you get into the game. Skip, save and quit. And what's our time? Please be under 3 hours. Start. Load game. Mine is like 10 minutes, a sub 3 hour. That's what I'm fucking talking about.
2:59:45.
We're gonna
That's
end
literally
this
like
one.
an hour more than Lobos's
Yeah,
first speedrun, I think.
yeah, that was pretty good. But yeah, that's it. That's it for our
Or
fucking
no, 2 hours.
first tandem video we've done. You can go watch however he edited his playthrough on his channel. Like I said in the first video, in the first couple videos, his link is in the description. The War Chariot.
It's like
YouTube.com.
It's like the video starts and it's right here.
Yeah, youtube.com/The War Chariot. Go check him out. I'm a smaller channel than he is, but he'll tell you to come check me out, hopefully. Yeah. Thanks so much for watching. Dead of Winter, as always. We'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you enjoyed. And like I said, see if you guys can beat our time around 2:49, 2:59, give or take. By any means possible. We didn't do any legit skips.
If we had rested, like hit sends and all that, we would definitely be like probably like 2.
We would have saved
2:30.
yeah, we just saved a couple minutes there, definitely. Yeah. Yeah. We didn't skip, but I guess by any means possible. By any means possible.
So if
I don't
someone
know.
out there can like send skip media.
Yeah, they're gonna beat our time. But if you do it without skipping, that's what I want to know, what kind of time you get. Alright. Yeah, anything you want to say? Alright. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.